In this video, we will understand what is sort and filter. So sort and filter comes under the group of editing under your home tab. Sort and filter is basically to just identify, or we can actually even go in ascending or descending order, or maybe even according to the letters. So it will just sort according to our needs. It can also filter based upon our requirements. So let us just understand how we can do that. Now if you want to go for a sort or a filter, then the titles, or we can say the headers that we have for the column or the table, that is what we are supposed to always select. So I'll just go ahead over here, click on the filter button. We will be having the filter over here in the header, and now in this I can simply click on what all details I want. I can click it from smallest to largest, or we can also click it from largest to smallest, and so on. So if I click from largest to smallest, then it will give me 204 as the first entry, because that was the last entry or the highest number. And same way, if I am going for smallest to largest, it will give me from 1 to 204. Now if I want to give price, if I want to filter it, then I can just go to number filters, and if I want what are the total number, or what all products are there, or what all the sales that have happened are more than or greater than, let us say somewhere around 300. So if I click 300 over here, is greater than 300, so I will get all those products whose sales has happened which is more than 300 rupees. So the price of that product should be more than 300 rupees. So this is how you can actually get the sorting done or the filtering done. Now if you want to remove the filter, then it is very easy. We can clear the filter from price. So if I'll just clear the filter from price, then this is how we'll get it out. Now let us say if I'm having another filter, the quantities which is more than 10. So again I'll go to number filter, keep it as more than 10, press enter. And now this was one of the criteria that we had, and then the amount was supposed to be more than 3000. So if I'm having amount more than 3000, number filters greater than 3000. So the moment I click OK, I should be having all my 30% over here. So this is what we had done in the previous videos. We had found out the total discount, final discount, which was having the quantity as more than 10, and the value which was there for the amount was supposed to be more than 3000. So if I am going for my quantity in this way, then this is one manual way of finding out with the help of sort and filter, or I can simply just directly give a if formula and find out the same thing. So these are the various ways of getting a particular categorization. Now if I want to remove the filters for everything, what I can do is I can just clear the filter from amount, I can clear the filter from quantity. So this is one way of removing all the filters, or the other filter removal is just by clicking the filter button again. So this is about the filter. Next is the custom sort. So if I want to sort based on multiple options, then I can have custom sorts as well. So we have multiple columns or rows and case sensitive sorts. So this is how we can actually sort it out. So we can have number of things over here. What all things I want to consider, or what all things I want to sort it out. These we can easily do it. So this is all about our sort and filter.